This video is on the MATLAB environment. After you started MATLAB, you will see this window. It is the MATLAB Integrated Development Environment, or called MATLAB IDE. On the top is a tool strip. There are three categories. The first one is a home tool strip. It has several groups. The first group is for the management of files. You can create or open a MATLAB file. The second is for the data management. You can import data and manipulate the data in the workspace. The third is the MATLAB code analysis tool. For example, you can measure how much time used to run a piece of MATLAB code. The fourth is the button to launch Simulink. The fifth is for the configuration of the MATLAB environment, such as the layout pattern of the windows and the preferences. The last is for the MATLAB documentation, where you can get the help information as well as MATLAB online learning resources. The second tool strip is for plotting in MATLAB. It provides a one-step solution to visualize the data. The same feature that you can use with MATLAB commands. The third tool strip is the launchpad of the installed MATLAB applications. Most of the applications are installed with the MATLAB toolboxes. In the MATLAB environment, there are a few types of windows. This is a command window that you can enter MATLAB commands and statements. For example, you can create a variable with an assigned value of 1, and we will give the name of the variable A. Or you can create a variable holding an array of randomized data, and I will give the name of the variable B. And you will see that the variables created will be displayed in the workspace window. And you can view the values of the variables by either looking at the values in the value column or double click it. And you will see the spreadsheet that holds the values. This is the current folder window. It is a file browser. This is a default location where MATLAB loads files and saves files. When you select the MATLAB file, the details of the file may be displayed in the details window below. For example, if I click the t.mat, which is a file holding a MATLAB variable, and you will see that the content will be displayed in the details window. MATLAB also has a script editor window. If you don't see it here, you can open it by clicking the New Script button. And this is the script editor window. And this is a place where you can enter MATLAB code. The text in the window is color-coded to show its role in the file. Each window has a drop-down menu button on the top right corner. And for example, if I click it, you will see a pop-up menu. If I choose undock, I can leave the command window floating outside the MATLAB environment. You can certainly dock it back by clicking the dock menu. You can rearrange the windows in the environment. For example, you can combine the workspace window with the command window. And you will see there will be two tabs. Also, if you want to restore its original layout, you can go to the Home and Layout, and in this case you can choose a 3-column. That will restore the layout to its original setting. Another useful tool is the preference setting. You can click the Preferences button here, and then you can configure the functions as well as the appearance of the MATLAB environment. For example, you can change the fonts used in the MATLAB environment. In this case, I would like to change the size from 10 to 14. And if I click OK, you will see the fonts has changed to a large font size for easy reading. Once you exit the MATLAB, those settings will be saved, and they will be available for you next time when you use MATLAB.